Hello and welcome to this video about the web scanner PSecScanner. In this tutorial you learn how to use PSecScanner and how it is working. This scanner looks for PHP vulnerabilities and PHP source codes. For example, XSS, local file inclusion, remote file inclusion, and so on. First, we see the web interface of the standard version of PSecScanner. At the start we have to create a project for our scan. We just hit Add Project. And then add a project name, a project description and a project folder where our project is stored. Now hit the button Create Project to create a project. Now we use the Manage Project button and choose our project from the list. Choose your project and just hit Choose Project button and we are now in the overview of our project. Here you can add files or folders in your project directory. Or you could delete your project files, folders. Now let's see what we can do. We already prepared a file with some obviously vulnerabilities, so just look at this file. There are two different outputs here. The first one is a direct output from a get variable. The second one is an indirect output of a get variable, it's nested or here named indirect. Both are not protected from filter functions, so there is obviously XSS possible. We will load this file in our pool. The pool is the place where the whole files of your project are stored. This is done by hit the Load Files in Upload folder. Here you can choose between Upload folder to upload a folder with all contents and Upload files to upload single or more files. You could also add them by yourself by just copy them in your project pool folder and then just press the refresh button. Now just hit Scan Project. At this point you're already done, just see the results. There is a section with direct and indirect results like explained before. Here you can see a table overview of your results. Now you can even export the direct and indirect scan results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.